Good day followers, refunded na, as in refunded na. Before nakagawa ko ng video about magre-request ng refund, pag accidentally hindi nyo na-turn off yung subscription, binawasan yung Gcash nyo na nakalink sa Google Play. At first, kasi nag-email ang Google Play na may deduction, so ang intention mo, ang una mong initiative, magreklamo dun sa Google Play kasi sila yung nagkaltas. So, tinanggi nila. It was auto-deduct kasi nag-subscribe ka. Yun ang reason nila behind it. So, kasalanan daw natin kasi hindi natin tinurn off yung subscription. On the other hand, nagreklamo rin ako sa Gcash. Nako, wag na at wala silang magagawa. Sila'y baldado or walang kamay or walang boses sa mga nagdideduct sa kanila, lalo na sa auto-deduction. Hindi nila kayang ipagtanggol ka sa mga nag-auto-deduct sa Gcash nyo. Walang kapasidad, walang kakayanan, oo lang dahil kinaltasan ka ng isang banyaga or nasa ibang lugar or nasa ibang bansa. Talagang napakahirap naman on their part. Naintindihan ko naman, wala silang kamay o pangil para i-refund yon dahil nga nag-auto-deduct. Sabi dapat daw tinurn off ko. So, wala na akong ibang paraan para ma-refund to. Hintayin nyo na lang in a few days. Hintayin nyo in a few days, mga 3 days, magme-message ang developer. Take note, developer. Huwag kay Google Play at huwag din kay Gcash yung nangyari yung palitan ng payments. Mga payment, app yan at portal. So, huwag natin ibigay ang sisi sa Gcash or sa Google Play. Kasi they're just doing their job. Or yung app nila, ganon. Nasa policy nila at rules and regulation or agreement na chine-checka natin, di ba? Agreed, palagi tayo nag-agree. So, ang solution talaga dito, pag wala na talagang refund, is punta ka dun sa Google Play mismo ng Android, Yan. Pupunta ka dun, tapos mag-review ka. I want a refund. I'm not rich. I forgot the app to be unsubscribed. Yun na lang nilagay ko. Tapos, in a few days, nag-reply sila sa email. Yung developer, take note, developer yan. So, nasa kanila talaga ang last say sa developer. So, nung nag-email sila, sinabi doon na mag-file ka ng reklamo or refund. So, we will assist you on whatever we can do that is best for you. Yun ang sinabi niya sa email. So, wala pang 24 hours na refund. Na-credit ulit dun sa Gcash ko. Thank you so much, PDF Maker app. Yan. Sila yan. Napakabait nila. Kasi alam naman nila hindi ko ginamit Same day nakaltas, same day ako nagreklamo, same day ako nag-file, lahat same day. Kaya alam nila, hindi ko talaga ginamit yung PDF on payment period. Ginamit ko lang siya on free trial. So, be careful na lang sa mga free trial. Uy, nakaisa ka free trial. Pero minsan nakakalimutan natin mag-unsubscribe yan. Take note and have a nice day. Hope you learned something from my video na developer ang kulitin natin. Kasi nasa kanila talaga yung last say. Ito nga pala yung email ng PDF converter. Thank you so much. Hi Eddie. Thank you once again for your patience. We have received confirmation from the billing department that your subscription has been cancelled and the refund has been processed as per your request. The amount should shown on your balance within the next few business days. The refund was issued on July 14. The amount refunded was 868 pesos. Please note that the timeline right way depending on the payment method that was used. It might take 530 business days. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hindi naman siya tumagal ng ganung katagal. Parang overnight lang na refund na or na credit na sa Gcash ko. Thank you so much, PDF converter. Napakabait nyo. Napakabait ng developer. Naintindihan yung sitwasyon ko. Have a nice day, guys. Hope you learned something na magreklamo tayo sa developer ng app, not on other portals.